Forces create patterns in motion, and they're not just pushes and pulls. They're up and down, they're back and forth, and even in circles, which can make you really dizzy. If you've ever ridden a seesaw, you know that it goes up and down. A seesaw is a beam that's balanced in the middle on some kind of a support, and force is needed to move the seesaw. Each person on the seesaw has to push off the ground to make his or her side go up. Then the other person does the same thing. As long as both people on the seesaw keep pushing off the ground, they'll keep seesawing up and down. But as soon as both people put their feet down at the same time and stop pushing, the seesaw will be level. Another way to see the seesaw force in action is with a balance. You can use it to balance food, in the science lab with chemicals, or even money. Next is swinging. And swinging happens when you push or pull an object that is hanging. The object will move back and forth. Over time, the object swings less. Gravity will eventually stop the swing because gravity is the downward force that pulls objects towards Earth. Kate and her friends are at the playground swinging. They all are trying to guess who can swing the highest. So remember, the greater the force used, the higher they will swing. Tire swings can be a lot of fun, but if you want to go as fast as possible, it's going to depend on the rope or the chain. The shorter the chain, the faster the swing. How about a circular force? You use a turning force to spin a top. It moves in a circular motion while balancing on its tip. It spins in a circle because it follows the direction of the force applied. It will keep spinning until other forces cause it to slow down and stop. Game spinners work the same way when you flick the arrow with your finger. How about merry-go-rounds? They are a lot of fun. When you stand on the edge and Dad is pushing, you have to hold on tight so you don't fly off. What happens when there's quite a few people on the merry-go-round at once and only one person trying to get it to spin? Do you think he's going to have enough force?